Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to get best Worldremit promo codes which are working in 2025. Now simply open your browser inside your PC or laptop and go to this website called couponfollow.com. Make sure to head to this website, and once you are at this website, just go to the search section on the right side and search here Worldremit. And once you write down Worldremit, you will see the first website like worldremit.com. Make sure to open this one. And once you open this one, you will see multiple coupon codes which are listed inside this website. As you can see, like there are different websites, different codes, 3 transfer using promo codes. You can just simply choose whatever code you want to select. You can see, let's say I want to save this one for 15% off. Just click on show coupon code. And after that, copy and paste this code at worldremit.com and it might be working. So that is a simple and easy process for one website. You can also try the second website, which is simplycodes.com. Head to this website, go to search section, and inside the search section, just search Worldremit. Once you write this down, as you can see, like this website also has 4 codes for Worldremit. And once you search this, you can see like 50% off, 25% off. Like there are a few of them which are verified, some of them are unverified. You can try it and just click on view code. And once you click here, you will be able to view the code. Simply paste this code and you will be able to use it. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.